slice of this, a slice of this, leave this much out off of each one. The rest gets cut up and I freeze it. And then throughout the next several months, if you want a piece of cake or something, you just go in the freezer and get it. So it's kind of like I'm cooking up everything at once and then it gets left over. If I'm my turkey is a 22-pound turkey, I have a whole ham because that's a lot of food. It is, but what doesn't get taken, I slice it off and I freeze it well. When I want a turkey sandwich in February, I go to my freezer. When I want an omelet, a ham omelet or a ham sandwich in February or March, I will go to my freezer. So it's just me cooking up stuff that I won't cook again until this time next year. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I also send food home with my guests. Absolutely. And I never ever ever I always pray that I always have enough food that no one can needs to leave hungry or needs to leave wanting something. So I want to make sure that if you want to take two plates home, have at it. It's plenty. Take two plates home. So that's just the way I am. If you don't want to take nothing home, okay, I'm going to freeze it. Oh, Ann says, I'm coming to your house. We love leftovers. Absolutely. Oh, Ann, thank you so much. Look at there. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for that wonderful super chat. I appreciate you, Ann. Yes, girl. Nothing goes to waste in my house. Nothing goes to waste. I freeze my cake slices also. Yes, Yolanda. Yes. And it keeps me from needing to bake again. I won't bake again like this until July for the 4th of July. I won't bake. I won't be baking anything anything else until the 4th of July. So it helps. It helps a lot. Um let's see. Oh, that's wonderful. I'm coming to your house. We love leftovers. Yes. I love leftovers, says G Mama. Absolutely. Sneaker says, I'm going to be alone this Christmas. I cannot be with my family as my father just passed away and my mother is still in grief and wants to have more time. Blessings to everyone who misses past loves. Yes. Yes. Blessings to you, Sneakers. Blessings to you. Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Let me see. Let me go down here. I was raised by Southern women. Never, never not have enough. Absolutely, absolutely, never, never. And if I for whatever reason don't have enough, it's not because I didn't cook enough. It's because everybody took ate way more than ever you thought they would. I mean, I cook big casseroles of things. I don't know. See, my macaroni and cheese does not go. Nothing goes in like a 9 by 13. The only thing that goes in a 9 by 13 casserole dish is my dressing, and that is because actually only myself and my husband and my daughter's fiance likes dressing. Nobody else is gonna eat any dressing. So since they're not gonna eat any dressing, I do it. But still, that's a 9 by 13. Again, what he doesn't want, what I don't want, gets sliced up and frozen or dipped up and frozen. I'm excited for you and yours. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, I provide carry out containers for my guests. That's really good. That is really good. I don't like waste either. I freeze leftovers as well, says Angela. Absolutely. And you know what? Those leftovers, I think sometimes people say they don't like leftovers because they just had it. And then the next day or so, you don't want it. For me, that's not what leftovers are. Leftovers are for the days that even me, as much as I love to cook, I don't want to do it that day. Nope, I'm not doing it. Or I'm busy, or I got in late, or I have something came up unexpected and I don't have time to cook. But yet you want something good, something nourishing, something filling, and not necessarily fast food. You want some real food that you know what's in it. Okay. Hey, Terry, Merry Christmas to you. Yes, those frozen leftovers are great for a night when you don't. That's exactly right, Yolanda. Just pull it out, thaw it up, and sit down. And it's good, and you didn't just have it yesterday. So, absolutely, I love, love, love my leftovers. And, sometimes I transform my leftovers, but a lot of times I don't.